Alright, today we're going to clean up a hob like this. Can you see how it is at minute? Full of grime and whatever. And the hood as well. I'm going to do it with just olive oil and kitchen roll. Okay? So we'll get back to it. Right, what we're going to do is pour a bit on and a bit on the other side as well. And then we're going to spread it out, and we're going to do the same again on the top. We're going to use it on the cloth though. And our cameraman will explain how it works because he did chemistry. Well, tell him your stuff. Can you see it going now?
Yeah, the oil actually dissolves the grease because the grease is oil based. Detergent works differently, it emulsifies it.
Yeah, can you see?
Separates
Now,
it.
so what we're going to do is do the whole hob and the top, and then we'll get back to you and you can see it. Okay? Right, so this is how we've got it. You can see the top. And no, we'll put my finger marks on it. You can see this one at the bottom as well. So yeah, ideally if you get a new hob fitted, do it right away at the beginning and then nothing will bind to it rather than later on. Okay?